Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from Xfinity Mobile. Alright, so let's just go over what this unlocking will actually do. So this is for people that want to be able to use another company, another carrier. You're not happy with your current carrier and you want to be able to just freely change to a different carrier and not be tied down to any company or any contract. Keep in mind, if you do already have a contract in place, you'll have to finish that somehow, find a solution for it somehow, because it is a contract. But with this unlock, you will be able to use another carrier with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. It's to be able to unlock your phone to use it with other companies. Also, if you want to travel overseas to another country, you need to have your phone unlocked to be able to use it with those other companies overseas as well. So that's what this video is for. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM card first. So there's the Xfinity SIM card, put that down. So let's go ahead and place in another SIM card from another carrier. Let's go ahead and place in this T-Mobile SIM card, for example, to show you what happens. So right away, it goes straight to this activation screen. You have to connect to Wi-Fi and then go ahead and follow the prompts here. And it's going to say SIM not valid because the iPhone XS is unlocked to Xfinity. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. Let's go ahead and remove that T-Mobile SIM card, put it down here for a second. We're going to be using this black unlock chip that we have that is unlocking the iPhones right now. So let's go ahead and just place it in here in the SIM card tray. Position it in there correctly, just like that. Then right on top of it, we can go ahead and place the SIM card that we want to use. So once again, I'll place that T-Mobile SIM card in here. And then just carefully slide it into the iPhone. So once again, it is going to take us to the activation screen. Just go ahead and follow the prompts once again. So give it a couple seconds. Okay, and it's going to say SIM not supported. But now that we have the unlock chip in there, what we're going to do is we're going to press the power button and the menu is going to appear down here. We're going to select emergency call. And here we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound and then hit the dial pad. So this menu is going to appear. Since we have the unlock chip in there, we're going to scroll all the way down and select edit ICCID. And here's where we're going to type in the latest ICCID, which will also be down below in the description. And we're going to go ahead and type it in here. 2792 0258 7523. Once you have it all typed in, go ahead and hit send. It's going to say setup OK, restart your iPhone now. So go ahead and hit accept. And let's power the iPhone off and then power it back on once it's off. Once it's off, go ahead and let's just power it back on. And there we go, the iPhone turned on. So now we're going to go ahead and follow the prompts once again, hit continue. And voila, the iPhone is unlocked. Now that we put in the unlock chip and the correct ICCID, we can now use it with whichever carrier you want to use it on. So as you can see, now it says T-Mobile, calls, texts, pictures, data, everything will work just as it should. And the cool thing about this new unlock chip now is that you can go ahead and, once the phone is unlocked, you can go ahead and remove it. So let's go ahead and take out the T-Mobile SIM and let's remove the unlock chip, put it right there. And just, you can go ahead and just place your SIM back in, or any SIM that you wish to use, back in the phone. And the phone will be unlocked. Yep, there you go. So hope that video helped you out in unlocking your Apple iPhone XS from Xfinity Mobile. Go ahead and give this video a like. That is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.